The Ford Focus regenerated into its third generation model in 2010, and the hottest catalog model of this generation was the Focus Street, announced in 2011. The Street was a sports-grade model that had existed in the series lineup since the first generation Focus. The car was developed by Team RS, a group consisting of Ford Europe and Ford America specialists who develop high-performance cars such as their motorsports racing machines. Though the Street is a commercially available car, it has a special position within Ford. The most notable characteristic of the third generation Street is the change in the engine. The second generation model used a 2.5L inline 5-cylinder with a turbo, but this was returned to a 2L inline 4-cylinder. The engine combined a new generation direct injection EcoBoost with a turbo, and improved fuel economy and CO2 environmental performance by more than 20% through downsizing. Even with the improved environmental performance, however, maximum output was still 10% greater than the previous at 246 bhp with 36.7 kgfm torque. The improvement that the Focus Street should really be praised for is its chassis performance. The Focus had always been known for good handling, but the suspension and brakes of the new Street have been further reinforced, and electronic devices such as the torque vectoring mechanism in the place of a conventional LSD show some of the fine-tuning that went into the car. Its agility and cornering characteristics, which fully utilize all four wheels despite the fact that it is a front-wheel drive, are directly linked to both the speed and fun of driving this car. Though its looks are not much different from the standard type, its driving performance is on another level altogether.